Number 12, we're looking for the restrictions on x's value. Well, if you have a fraction, the bottom never can come out to be a 0. So we can't let x be any value that's going to create that bottom bit, the 6x squared plus 17x plus 5, come out to be a 0. It's a trinomial. That means I'm going to have to factor it, but it has an a value of 6. So what do? Well, we're going to do the busting b method, where we bust this b piece down into two different things. So let's look. We do the a times c. The 6 times 5 gives me 30. So I'm looking for the factors of 30. 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 4 and nothing, 5 and 6. Which of those gives me 17? These. So I'm going to bust it into a 2x plus 15x. Bring down my 5, bring down my 6x squared. So we're just going to concentrate on factoring this first and then set it equal to can't be 0. I bust b so that I get it into 4 pieces. I do that so I can factor by what's called factor by grouping. I group the front 2, I group the back 2. I look at this and I say, hey, what number can factor out? A 2 can factor out, and an x. That leaves behind 2 times 3 gives me the 6, and still have an x there, plus 2x times 1. Now what factors out here? A 5 leaves me a 3x plus 1. Notice you have a 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 1, so that's one of the two binomials. The other binomial is the 2x plus 5. So we have now factored it. So the 6x squared plus 17x plus 5 factors down to this right here. We now say, hey, you can't come out to be 0. We have two things multiplied together that would supposedly can't be 0. So I say this piece either can't be 0 or the 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 can't be 0. Subtract 1, we're just solving. 3x can't equal a -1. Divide by 3. -1/3 is one of my answers. X can't equal -1/3. Over here, -5 minus 5. 2x can't equal a -5. Divide by 2. Your other answer, x can't be a -2 1/2. Those are the two solutions for number 12.